we are going to try and do the wake up for the N2 rather than getting 2 leads, and I'll show you here. We're going to go ahead and scan. We shouldn't see any N2s. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is come in, connect the common here. I'm going to come over to the resistance port, and we will just hold it there for 10 seconds. Now it may not take as long for you, but if you just scan, we should see it wake up, and here you go. So you may see this, and I'm glad this came up. This has no name. What's happened is once the N2 picks up on the turn on signal, it takes about 8 seconds for the hardware inside to boot up. If we scan one more time, of course there's an update for the OS here, but if you scanned one more time, now we've got the O2 sensor name that we have applied to it, and you can change the name inside the settings. So as we connect, here we go. We now have access to all of our testing. We can do volts DC, AC, our resistance testing, our diode drop testing. Obviously there's temperature testing, internals. Here you have the ability to do your ranging. You can get your mins and maxes. We can change the sample rates, or the refresh rates and the sample quantities. We can also go right into graphing if we wanted. Not going to do anything here with that today. And this is where the math and the interpretations start to occur. If you tap here, the calculations are out here, but you can do Ohm's law testing, thermocouple testing. If you're into electrical or electronics testing, you can go for power factor, apparent power, real power. There is your fuse testing. You can do your standard, maxi, mini, cartridge, depending on your fuse size. You can do the parasitic draw testing across these settings up in here, and a lot of other fun things. So thank you so much, guys. We really